Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add an expense transaction on your AndroMoney expense tracking application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AndroMoney application on your device. And if you have set up a password, then simply type it in within the password box and press OK to log in. Once you are taken into your homepage, you can directly see the transactions of today's date. In order to add your expense, just tap on the edit button at the bottom and now you can add your expense. Make sure that expense is selected from the top categories and just enter the amount that you want to add as your expense. Then you can simply choose the category that your expense aligns with. After choosing your category, you can enter which account the transaction was made from. This can be your bank account, your saving account, as well as your credit card or your cash. After choosing the appropriate account, you also have the option to categorize this expense into business, personal, or travel. You may also add your own project or choose the closest resembling category. You may also enter the payee, which refers to whoever you paid this amount to. After choosing the payee, you can also choose whether this is a one-time transaction or whether it's a recurring one. After making sure that it is included in your account total as well as your budget, you can click on the Save button to add this expense right away, or click on Add Next in order to add another one. And once you have clicked on the Save button, it has now been added to your expense category right away within your homepage. And you can follow the same steps to record as many expense transactions as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your expense transaction on the AndroMoney expense tracking application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.